let me show you how to make the most delicious mashed potatoes ever. They are so simple. They are luxe. They're rich. They're filled with all the good stuff. And they are a family favorite at the holiday season every single year.
So good.
You're going to start off by peeling some potatoes. I use russet or Idaho. You can use whichever, and make sure you cut them into nice large chunks. The larger the chunk, the less water they will absorb. Therefore, the fluffier your mashed potatoes will be, which everyone loves a fluffy mash, but not a watered down mash. Once all chopped up, make sure you give them a good rinse and place them into a large pot with plenty of water and a really good generous pinch of salt. This is the only chance you get to season the potatoes from the inside out. Bring them to a simmer and boil until tender, about 30 to 40 minutes depending on their size, and when they're ready, just drain them and set them aside. In a small saucepan, add milk, cream, and butter. Get that melted over a gentle heat. Once they are, set it aside. Make sure you never add cold milk or cream to your hot potatoes, because that's how you get that weird texture. Mash them with either a masher or a ricer. Add your cream mixture along with some cream cheese and a little bit more salt and a lot more pepper. And this is the time when you can just mash them to your desired consistency. If you like them really smooth, grab your masher back out and keep mashing until they are super smooth. If you like them chunky, leave them chunky. It's totally up to you. And just a reminder, these kinds of videos are always in addition to my regular content, never instead of. So it's just a way for me to bring you more food content, more food inspo, especially around the holiday season. Make sure you like the spatula. It is a cook's treat after all. Place them on a shallow platter with a little bit of butter, some chives, and it's just begging for a lovely ladleful of that rich gravy that I know you're going to have alongside your turkey. They are fantastic and delicious. A full recipe is on my website. I hope that you love them. I hope that you make them, and I hope that you enjoy them. Bye.